Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is today's question on LeetCode, and this question is basically daily challenge on 6th August, and the question is number of music playlists. So we will read this question first and we will try to figure out how we can solve this question. So your music player contains n different songs, and you want to listen to goal songs. So basically these two numbers are given to us, n and goals, and basically n is total number of songs with us and goal is nothing but this much song we have to listen, okay, during your trip. To avoid boredom, you will create a playlist so that every song is played at least once, and a song can only be played again only if k other song have been played. So basically they have told us that we have to create playlist using these two rules, that we have to listen every song, okay, we have every song is played at least once, and a song can only be played again if k other song have been played, okay. So basically these three variables are given to us, n, goal and k, and we have to find out number of ways, and since the number of ways are very large we have to return its modulo, okay. So you let us have a closer view for this question. So let's say n is equal to 3, okay, and we have goal is equal to again 3 and k is equal to 1. This is our first input, and what we can do, we have a playlist with us. So initially this playlist is empty, so what we can do, we have two choices with us: either we add new song in this playlist or we add any existing song in playlist. So basically I will write here what are the two choices with us. We add new song in playlist, or what we can do, we can add uh, existing song in playlist, okay. So these two things we can do. So we will discuss these two cases and we will try to code these two cases, okay. So what we will do, we will solve this question using a recursion. So what we will do, we will have a recursive function, okay. So let us say recursive function solve, and the parameters will be nothing but n and goal and k. So this will solve for this case when we have n song with us and we have to listen this number of songs. So what we can do, we have two choices with us, that we can add new song. So if we add new song, what we will do, we have total of n choices with us, okay. So if we want to choose, if you want to add new song in a total of n songs, so what we can do, we can solve for n minus 1 songs, okay. So what we will do, we will just solve for n minus 1 songs, and goal will be again decreased by 1 and k, and we have total of n choices with us, so we'll multiply by n. So this was corresponding to our first case, and talking about the second case, that if we want to add existing song. So basically if we want to add existing song, we have to they have told us that we have to at least listen k songs, okay, k other songs has to be played, okay. So for this what we can do, we can write we will solve for if a existing song is added, so n will be not changed but goal will be decreased by 1, and k will be again our parameter. But what we will do, we will so for this case we can have total of n minus k choice with us, okay. So this can be negative number also, so we will take maximum of 0 and n minus k, okay. So in this way we'll solve this question using these two cases. So let us try to code this, okay. Before we code this question, you can use memoization here in order to reduce time complexity. So I will write here, we will use memoization to reduce time complexity. So okay, again talking about base cases, so base cases should be there. So talking about base cases, so if we are done with all n songs, okay, and our goals is also accomplished, so goal is equal to 0. So in this case we have one combination with us, so we will return 1. And if we are done with all n songs but our goal is not been accomplished, or if we are done with our goal is accomplished, but we have not gone through all n songs. So in this case, what we will do, we will just return 0. So I will write here, uh, if we are done with all n songs and our goal is not accomplished, or if our goal is accomplished and we are not done with all n songs, so in both the cases we will just return 0. So this is basically n is equal to 0 or goal is equal to 0 represents this thing. Okay, so let us try to code this question. So for memoization we will use dp vector here. So we will have two dimensional dp vector, so vector of int dp, and we will it will be of size n plus 1 comma goal plus 1. So n plus 1 comma, okay, so again we have vector of int and goal plus 1 comma minus 1. So this is our dp vector, and this will be used for memoization. Okay, again what we will have, we will have a recursive function with us. So let us, you can see that the parameters are such that we will get answer in long. Okay, so we will the return type of this recursive function will be long, and let us say the function is solve. So we will pass the parameters. What will be the parameters? So we will pass parameters int n, int goal, int k, and dp vector. So vector of int and dp. So what are so basically the main function of this function, this recursive function, is it will return number of combinations for n songs, and for and to listen goal songs. Okay, so these are the parameters. Okay, so if talking about the base cases, if n is equal to 0 and goal is equal to 0, so what does it mean? It means that we are done with all n songs and also accomplished our target. Okay, so basically in this case we will return 1 because we get our one combination. And if n is equal to 0 or goal is equal to 0, basically it does mean it means that both are not 0 at a time. So in this case we will just return 0. So I have discussed this case. What does it mean? It means that we are done with all n songs, but our goal is not accomplished, and also it means that we are it means our goal is accomplished, but we are not done with n songs. So in this case we will return 0. And to avoid repetitive case, so I will write here repetitive cases. So talking about repetitive cases, if dp of n and goal, so basically if this value is not equal to -1, we know the value corresponding to this combination, so we will just return dp of n and goal. And otherwise what we will do, we will have two choices with us. So long. So first choice will be nothing but new song. So if we add new song, so basically we will solve for n minus 1, goal minus 1, and k will be as it is, and dp, and we have total of n choices with this case, so we will multiply by n. And otherwise what we can do, we can use existing song. So existing song, so basically it is nothing but we will solve for n songs, and our goal is reduced by -1, goal is reduced by 1, and k is it as it is, and dp is as it is. And as I have discussed here, that we will do we will multiply it with maximum of n minus k and 0. So maximum of n minus k comma 0. So these are two possible cases, and we will add these cases and we will return it. Okay, so we will just return dp of n goals is equal to new song plus existing song. Okay, and we have to do the modulo of this with 10 1 e to the power 9 plus 7. So for this, what we will do, we will have a mod here. Okay, so I will write here int mod is equal to 1e 9 plus 7, and here modulo mod. Okay, and in our main function we will, what we will do, we will just return this solve function. So basically our n is n and goal and k and dp. So let us see whether the code works or not. So you can see that all the cases are passing. So let us see for main cases. So yeah, all the cases are passing. Okay, so let us try to understand this code again. So what was our scenario? We have our songs with us and we have to accomplish goals. Okay, and there was a constraint that if we want to add existing song in our playlist, we have to go through with this k songs. Okay, k other songs. So basically what we can do, we can have total of two choices with us. One is that we can add new song. So basically for this we will solve for n minus 1 and goal minus 1, and if we want to add existing song, we will just reduce the value of goal and we will solve for it. And you can see that total choice for new song is nothing but n, and total choice for existing song is nothing but n minus k comma 0, maximum of both the case. Okay, maximum of n minus k comma 0, because n minus k can be negative. So in that case we can we have no choice, so that's why we will multiply by 0. And we have multiplied it with maximum of n minus k and 0, because we have to first go through all k songs, k other songs. So that's why we have total of n minus k choice. Okay, so that's why I have done like I have written this. And in order to reduce time complexity, we have used memoization here, and these are the two cases. And talking about base cases, if we are done with all songs n songs and our goal is also accomplished, we will return 0. And if we are done with all n songs but goal is not accomplished, or if we have our goal is accomplished but we have not done with n songs, in both cases we will return 0. So that's what we have done here. So if n is equal to 0 and goal is equal to 0, we will return 1. If n is equal to 0 or goal is equal to 0, which means that we are done with n songs and goal is not accomplished, or our goal is accomplished but we are not done with n songs. So in both the cases we cannot have our combination, so we will return 0. And in order to avoid repetitive case, we have used memoization here. So that so if dp of n and goal is not equal to minus 1, which means we know the value corresponding to this case, so we will directly return it. And otherwise we will go for two cases and we will solve recursively, and we will use memoization here to store the value corresponding to this case. And finally in our main case we will just return solve of n comma goal comma k comma dp. So in this way we have solved this question. So if I hope you understood my solution, and if you like my code, if you like my solution, you can like my video also. And if you want to see some more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel. And if you have any kind of doubt regarding this question, or if you want to share any idea regarding this question, you can write in comment section. The code link will be provided in description. Thank you.